Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we are studying shading of Venn diagram. So this is our lesson number 20. In this lesson, we will solve some questions of exercise 14C. As we have discussed the shading of various sets in detail in the previous lessons. Today we will solve the questions which include Venn diagram and universal set and complement. This is question number 18. Identify and shade the following regions on separate Venn diagram. This set is given A union B complement. This is the Venn diagram. We will decide regions for these two sets and then we will take union of those regions. Set A is this circle. This circle and this circle are two overlapping or intersecting circles. So these two regions belong to set A, and B complement mean the region outside circle B. Outside circle B is this region and this region. Because you are asked to shade the union. Union means those regions which have one tick or two ticks. So we will shade this one and this one, all which belong to A or B complement or both A and B complement. So we will shade this. In second part we will shade A intersection B complement. It is very simple. The regions which belong to set A are these two regions. The regions which belong to set B complement are these two regions. Now because we are asked to shade intersection of these two. Intersection means common in both. So common is that region which has two ticks. So we will shade this region only. We will not shade this one and we will not shade this one. A union B whole complement. Now A union B is this circle A, B or A or B both. So all these are three regions belong to A union B because there is a complement of A union B mean outside the region outside A union B. It is this one outside these circles. So we will shade this region only which is outside circles A and B. So this is the shading of A union B complement. A intersection B complement. Now A intersection B is this region. Its complement is this region and this region. These three regions belong to A intersection B complement. The region which does not belong to A intersection B. A intersection B is this region because it's complement, so it means the region which is outside this one. It is this and this. So we will shade this and this like this. Fifth part, A complement union B complement. What are the regions which belong to set A complement? A complement mean which is outside this circle A. Outside this circle A is this part of B and this part of the universal set. These two regions. Then B complement outside the circle B. Outside circle B is this region and this region. Because we are asked to shade the union mean those regions which have one ticks or two ticks. So we will shade this region and this region. A complement intersection B complement. The regions for set A complement are region outside circle A and region for B complement are region outside circle B, this one and this one. Now because we are asked to shade the intersection of these two regions, so intersection of these two region is this where there are two ticks. So we will shade this rectangle which is outside two circles. A complement union B whole complement. Now A complement is the region outside circle A, this one and this one. Region B, regions which belong to set B are this one and this one. Because we are asked to shade union, so we will shade the regions which has one tick or two ticks. So this region and this region. Sorry, because we are asked to shade the complement of this. So complement mean we do not need these regions, so we will take this region only. Similarly, A union B complement and whole complement. इधर देखिए, इधर A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट था, इधर B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट है और दोनों की यूनियन है. सेट A को बिलोंग करते हुए जो रीजन्स हैं वो ये दो रीजन्स हैं जो सर्कल A के रीजन्स हैं. और B कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन वो जो सर्कल B के बाहर है. सर्कल B के बाहर कौन से रीजन्स हैं? ये दो. अब चूंकि इन रीजन्स का कॉम्प्लीमेंट है तो इसका मतलब ये हमें नहीं चाहिए. इन रीजन्स के अलावा जो है वो आपको चाहिए. Because we do not need these three regions, so we will shade this one like this. So this is the shading of different sets having one or more operations. This is question number 19. Identify and shade the following regions on separate Venn diagram. Similarly, there are different sets given and you are asked to shade the Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagram. Shade this Venn diagram. First we find the region for each set. Set P. P is this big circle and Q is inside this big circle. So it means Q is a subset of P. So region for set P are these two. Whole Q and outside Q but inside P. And Q complement mean region outside the Q. Region outside Q is this one and this one. This is Q complement. Because you are asked to shade union. Union mean you will shade all those regions which has one tick or two ticks. So this region has one tick, this region has two ticks and this region has one tick. So we will shade the whole figure. This one. All the three regions. Again P intersection Q complement. Now you are asked to shade the intersection of these two sets. So regions for set P are these two. Regions for set Q complement. Q complement this one and this one. Now because we are asked to shade the intersection. So intersection means that region which has two ticks because there are two sets. So it is this region which is outside circle Q. Only this one. So we will shade this region. P union Q whole complement. Now P is the set represented by the bigger circle, this one. So P, this region and this region. Q is this region only inside Q. And the whole complement P union Q. What is P union Q? That region or those region which has one tick or two ticks. So this is P union Q, this region and this region also. So because we need the complement, so complement mean the region outside these. We do not need these because there is complement of this. What we need is this region to shade. So we will shade this region like this. P intersection Q complement. Same. Decide the regions for set P. These two. Set Q is this. Now it is P intersection Q. What is P intersection Q? P intersection Q is this region and its complement. You are asked to shade P intersection Q complement. So it means we will not shade this region We do not need this because we have to take the complement. Complement means the region which does not belong to this set. This set is this one. P intersection Q complement is this. So this region and this region are required region. This one and this one. So we will shade these two regions. Now P complement union Q complement. P complement means region outside set P. This one. Q complement means region outside set Q. Region outside set Q is this one and also this one. These two. Because you are asked to shade the union of these two sets. So union mean all those region which have one tick or two ticks. So we will shade this one and we will leave this circle unshaded. P complement intersection Q complement. What is P complement? The regions outside set P. This one. Q complement mean region outside set Q. This one and this one. Now because we are asked to shade the intersection of these two sets, the intersection of these two sets is this region which has two ticks. So we will shade this region. We do not need these two regions, so we will shade this one. Now P complement union Q and its complement. P complement this region, Q is this region, and the P complement union Q. What is P complement union Q? P complement is this region and Q is this region. So their union is the region which has one tick or two tick, because these two regions are separate and has one tick. So this is the union of P complement and Q. But you are asked to shade the region of the complement of the whole. So it means we do not need this region and we do not need this region also. So the complement mean this region only. This one. So we will shade this region. P union Q complement, whole complement. Again, region for set P are these two regions. Region for set Q. Q complement mean outside set Q. Outside set Q is this region and this region. These two. And its complement. P union Q complement. P union Q complement mean this region and this region. एंड इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो अब देखें इसमें कोई भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं चाहिए हमें, ये भी नहीं चाहिए, ये भी नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि पी यूनियन क्यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये तीनों रीजन्स हैं. इन सारे का कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो है वो इसका मतलब है ये भी नहीं चाहिए, ये भी नहीं चाहिए और ये भी नहीं चाहिए. तो फिर कौन सा रीजन शेड करेंगे? क्योंकि ये कोई भी रीजन हमें नहीं चाहिए तो हम इनमें से किसी को भी शेड नहीं करेंगे. तो आपकी वेन डायग्राम जो है वो इसी तरह रह जाएगी, अनशेडेड सारी की सारी. This one. So this is chapter number 14 of D2. We have completed this chapter. In the next lesson we will start D4, chapter 2 of D4 inshallah. The syllabus for online assessment is chapter 1 of D4 and chapter 14 of D2. This is my profile and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.